What if Google could create an entire marketing campaign for your business in just a few clicks? From social media posts and stunning product images to an entire website, this new AI tool can do it all, and it's completely free. Let's check out Pomelli. Pomelli is a free experimental AI-powered marketing platform developed by Google Labs and Google DeepMind. It's designed for small businesses, entrepreneurs, online sellers, and content creators who want to create professional marketing content without hiring a designer or marketing agency. Let's explore its most impressive features. Feature number 1, Intelligent Brand Learning. Simply enter your business website URL, and Pomelli automatically analyzes your brand. It identifies your logo, brand colors, fonts, and even your writing style to create a unique business DNA. This allows every piece of content it generates to stay consistent with your brand identity. Feature number 2, AI Marketing Campaign Generator. Once your brand is learned, Pomelli can instantly generate complete marketing campaigns. It suggests creative campaign ideas, social media captions, engaging headlines, advertising banners, and even image carousels, all customized specifically for your business. No more starting from scratch. Feature number 3, AI Photo Shoot. One of the coolest features is the AI Photo Shoot. Just upload a simple product image, and Pomelli transforms it into professional lifestyle photos that look like they came from an expensive studio shoot. Perfect for e-commerce stores, online marketplaces, and social media marketing. Feature number 4, Automatic Brand Book. Pomelli can also create a complete brand book for your business. It organizes your logos, color palette, typography, and design guidelines into a professional brand guide that keeps your marketing materials consistent. Feature number 5, Instant Website Creation. Pomelli uses advanced AI to build an entire website in just a few clicks, making it easier than ever to launch your business online. Right now, Pomelli is available through Google Labs. You only need a Google account to try it. And the best part? It's completely free during its experimental beta phase. If you're a small business owner, content creator, freelancer, or entrepreneur, Pomelli could save you hours of work while helping you create professional marketing content with AI. Would you try this tool for your business? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, software tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.